Welcome everybody. Welcome to my channel. This is Anthony T with SHG um, with the series 199 can replace your 9 to 5. And let's get started. This is going to be day 6, ladies and gentlemen. And let me go ahead and share my screen. And today we're getting into the nitty-gritty of YouTube. This will break it down for you from beginning to end, how to start creating a YouTube channel, doing keyword research, creating your content, recording your content, and editing your content, and then uploading it once you're all done up to YouTube. And that should take you about an hour. So we're basically going to stop there for day 6. Day 7 we'll get into the other half. So it's basically going to take you 2 days to basically learn everything about YouTube, do the research on it, especially the keywords, which will all be in the videos. Let me show you basically my channel, because the video is going to basically teach you how to set up your channel. And if you don't have YouTube, usually if you're an Android user, you're going to have a Gmail account. And of course, Google owns Gmail as well as YouTube. So everybody pretty much should have a YouTube channel, but it's pretty easy to create. As long as you have a Gmail account, boom, you'll have a YouTube channel. Let me show you mine. And this is my YouTube channel. As you can see, this banner you could create on Canva. Canva is an amazing page creation. This is where I create all my thumbnails, any type of pictures that you need for your YouTube channel. You're going to find on Canva, and it's free pretty much. You could get GoPro and upgrade. It's not that expensive. I think it's $10 a month. And Canva, you'll get everything you'll need for your banners and thumbnails. Once you create your channel, that first video is going to show you how to set up your website. On there, you'll click on the personal website, which will send you to Savings Highway Global. I just found out that you could add up TikTok, Instagram, and so forth on there. So I'm going to start adding all that on there, because now that I'm going to start promoting on TikTok my YouTube channel. But let me just give you a quick example. You see, there's my trailer to my series, and I'm up to day 5 on my series, and I'm doing it daily. Some people do them all in one shot. Like if you're not working, like Daniel Comp, he'll do like 8 videos of these in one day, and then throw them all out there, boom. But because he's now working from home, I'm still working part-time and working from home, so I'm doing them daily because this is my first series. I have spoken about SHG and stuff. If you do subscribe to my channel, you'll see all of that on there. That's one of the first things you should do when you start with YouTube. Explain the business a little bit, show the presentation of the compensation plan, the bonus plan. There's the 7K plan on there. It's all on there, and little by little, Daniel Comp will show you what you should be doing on YouTube. Let's see. Next, we're going to go into keywords. You're going to have to do a little bit of research on the keywords, but it's quite simple. You just go to YouTube and see what I have already set up for you. Just type in Savings Highway Global, and you'll see series, events, presentation, the compensation plan review, compensation plan 2022. We even have the Savings Highway Global in Spanish. But let me go to series, which is basically a bring it right here. And all these videos are actually some of my teammates, like Catherine. She's a teammate. There's Daniel Comp. Let's see, Aries, he's another one of our teammates. There's Kirsty. As you can see, she's doing a review. Lori Black, she's on our team. Yes. Here's Mr. Carl Douglas. He's on our team. But as you can see, yeah, you just scroll down. But yeah, once you find out what you're looking for, the compensation plan, there's the CEO of our company. Then that's what you're going to use as your description in your videos. But Daniel Kump will go through all that with you. Creating your content. You're going to want to talk, like we said earlier, about the compensation plan. Once you find your keywords, make sure you type that in there. He teaches you everything step by step. Then obviously recording your content. You want to be able to look at the camera, make sure you're basically eye to eye with the person you're speaking to. Believe it or not, that takes a little bit. If you're using your phone, believe it or not, in the beginning, I purchased this camera for 20 bucks on Amazon, and the quality is way better than from what my laptop was. But believe it or not, the Galaxy 21 is amazing. But just remember, if you're doing a short TikTok videos, obviously up and down is okay. And it's hard to see because I have the blur on it. But if you are doing a YouTube, remember to left and right. So that's the best way to do a YouTube video if you're using your phone. Just a tip. Let's see. And then editing your content, which you've got above. I want to say that was setting the stage, the domain, CapCut. So I want to say it was day 3 where you learn how to edit with CapCut. Well, that video prepared you for YouTube. Like you said, if you make a mistake, just stop, pause, and then you can fix it on CapCut. So when you're editing your content. And then once you have all that fixed, you can put your audio on there. I like to put a little bit of music on there. I don't know. I think so it doesn't catch some of my pauses. Even because I do have I'm kind of, to me, I'm a little on the nasally side, so I like the little music to take over, replace that. But that's just me. And then the last video you'll probably watch for day 6 will be uploading to YouTube, which is easy. Once you get your video downloaded from CapCut into your folder, then you upload by, here, let me even kind of show you. Checking, my face is in the way of it, I think. Right there is when you'll hit video upload. Then you click on it. Just a quick example. Boom, you'll select the file. And then for me, everything's under Savings, SHG, Savings Highway Global. And there, you'll find tons of videos on there that I have saved. Like here's my series, see day 4, day 5. Once you got it downloaded, then you click on it and then you upload it. It's fairly simple. Then I want to say come to what's day 7. Now on day 7 is where we're going to get into creating a thumbnail, which you're going to do in Canva, which I just showed you earlier. Creating notes and keywords, basically setting up your descriptions and getting ranked in the keyword research. Like adding 2022 will actually rank you up a little higher versus just plain Savings Highway Global bonus plan. If you put bonus plan 2022, that'll rank you higher. Those are little hacks that you'll learn and he'll teach you about jumping in the algorithm and so forth. And then like also on day 7, we're doing creating a playlist. Basically what I'm doing right now is doing a series that'll be setting up a playlist. And the more you do that in the months to come, believe it or not, you can monetize on YouTube. But we'll get into that in day 7. So basically, all you really need to do now is we're up to uploading to YouTube for day 6. So that's it for today, really. I'm trying to keep it short and simple as possible. That's basically going to give you about an hour's work of watching all that information. Now, applying it, that's a different story. When you create your first video, it took me almost 4 hours because I was trying to get it perfect and everything. But once you get the rhythm of it, I'm popping out videos now. It's taking me about an hour, each one of these series. Trying to find the right audio with it and so forth. Doing some edits here and there. But I'm getting better and faster at it. And I'm sure you will. The more time you get into it. So thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And you guys have a blessed day. Goodbye for now.